Hello, today's topic is reading and writing parameters over EtherCAT using our program. So we will upgrade the project from previous video. Before we begin, we need to add additional library, and this library is called EtherCAT stack. So let's add advanced. If we open the library, we can find can open over EtherCAT, and here we will use SDO read and SDO write. Let's open our program first. Let's create variables. First, two instances of our read and write function blocks. And we need to add additional two variables in which we will store read data and where we will prepare data to be written. Now, reading and writing SDO data can be done even in pre-operational mode. So we will enhance our main program to be able to read or write this data even when the drive is in pre-operational mode. So let's copy this part. And then we will say if it's lower than 2 equals pre-operational, then return. And here we will call our action. Let's create action. Let's call it. And now in our action, we just need to call the instance of our read and write function block and also do a little parameterization. What we need to parameterize our mandatory fields is UI device. This is EtherCAT address. If we go to our drive, general, we see that the EtherCAT address is 1001. Both function blocks needs this data, 1001. Second point is timeout. Let's put 100. This is in milliseconds. Then we need to do a buffer and size for read and also for write. Size for write we will not put. This you will be able to modify depending on the data that you want to write. Let's also prepare our watch. And let's log in and run this project. Run. And we can, for example, read certain data. If we open our read SDO, we have everything set except index and subindex. If we, for example, try to read out 16 hash 3029 5, this is jog fast speed, and if we execute read, you see that it's done and the read data equals 20, which is exactly what we set in our startup list. If we now try to write certain data, we have to repeat everything: index, subindex, and also size, and this is 32-bit register, so 4 bytes. And then if we put, for example, 25 in the write data, we execute, it's done. And now if we try to read the same value, we will see that it's 25. And one more thing, here you can see even the size of this data. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.